I have a PS slap in here. And I got this in online. Let's go see what we can get. First, what? I'm gonna sell this for everyone. And 100,000k. And this too. And HR. And this. This is what I can get. It's so cool. HR again, guys. We can see this is so cool. This is my favorite color, green. My other favorite color, HR. Guys, it's so cool. Leave a comment and a like and a subscribe. And this, the last one is LR3. You want to show it? 2, 1. Is golden black. LR. N is AR. PS10 slap. Okay, what is this? Wait, please. What is this? Oh, it's a 1? Oh, wait, it's a 10! Yes, it's a 10! Yeah, this is gonna be my favorite. The other, you'll see. Bro, this is gonna be not much, I think. Let's go put it in third. This is first. Second. PS10. You're gonna be second. Yeah. Guys, bye-bye. Wait, no. I'm gonna sell some Pokemons too. Because gonna put this in my binder. Okay. Good day and good life. Guys, tomorrow I'm gonna go to SM to buy some Pokemon hot. This is my Pokemon binder. Ouch. It's so heavy. I'm gonna show you my $2 electric. I just get in a V. Just wait, guys. Now I'm gonna show it to you what I guys get in this card. We got Eevee, Leafeon, Espeon. It's a VMAX Leafeon. It costs $7. My binder is already not full because my dad and mom likes to give me some Pokemon when I'm little. But he could surprise me a big binder. Jolteon 2. My favorite Pokemon is Rayquaza, Pikachu, Ash is Steel. That's my favorite. Gonna show it to you guys. This is Holo Rare and $2. I have another one. By $2 too. $2.67. Okay, bye. Give me a like and subscribe and comment and share, please.